Volcanoes, mountains of fire. A volcano is a very special and powerful mountain. Unlike normal mountains, a volcano can erupt, which means it can suddenly release very hot materials from deep inside the earth. Inside the earth, far below the ground, there is very hot, melted rock called magma. This magma is under a lot of pressure, and sometimes the pressure becomes too strong. When that happens, the magma pushes upward through cracks in the Earth's surface and comes out from the top of the volcano. This is called a volcanic eruption. When the magma reaches the surface, it is called lava. Lava flows down the sides of the volcano and can destroy anything in its path, such as trees, roads, and houses. It can be thousands of degrees hot and is very dangerous. Volcanoes can also shoot out ash, rocks, smoke, and gases into the sky. The ash can cover large areas of land and can stay in the air for many days. Sometimes, the sky becomes dark during the day because of the ash clouds from the volcano. Volcanoes can be scary and dangerous, but they are also very important for the Earth. There are 3 types of volcanoes. Some volcanoes are active, which means they can erupt at any time. Others are dormant, which means they are sleeping and may erupt again in the future. The last type is extinct, which means the volcano will never erupt again because it is no longer active inside. Volcanoes are found all over the world. They can be on land or under the sea. In fact, many islands in the ocean were created by volcanoes. For example, the Hawaiian Islands were formed by underwater volcanoes many years ago. Some famous volcanoes are Mount Vesuvius in Italy, Mount Fuji in Japan, Mount St. Helens in the United States, and Mauna Loa in Hawaii, which is one of the biggest volcanoes on Earth. In some countries, like Iceland, volcanoes are very common. People in Iceland use the heat from underground, called geothermal energy, to warm their homes and buildings. So, even though volcanoes are dangerous, they can also be helpful. The land around volcanoes is very rich in nutrients, so it is great for growing plants and crops. That is why many people live near volcanoes, even if it is risky. The ash from old eruptions makes the soil very healthy. Scientists who study volcanoes are called volcanologists. They watch volcanoes carefully using computers, special tools, and machines that measure heat, gas, and shaking in the ground. Their job is very important because they can give early warnings when a volcano is about to erupt. This can save many lives. Volcanologists also learn more about how the Earth works by studying lava, rocks, and ash. Volcanoes change the shape of the Earth by creating new land and mountains. Some volcanoes have erupted for thousands of years and helped shape entire continents. Some eruptions happen very quickly and last for minutes, while others continue for weeks or months. Volcanoes can also cause other natural disasters, like earthquakes and tsunamis, especially if they are near the ocean. People in many parts of the world have stories and legends about volcanoes because they are so powerful and mysterious. In ancient times, people thought volcanoes were homes of angry gods. Today, we understand them better, but they are still amazing to watch. Videos of lava flowing from volcanoes are popular on TV and the internet because they are beautiful and exciting. In the future, scientists believe we will learn even more about volcanoes and how to live safely near them. Some scientists think we can even use lava and heat from volcanoes to make clean energy. Volcanoes are one of nature's most powerful forces. They are dangerous, but they also help the Earth grow and change. By learning about volcanoes, we learn more about our planet and how to respect the power of nature.